In this first section of this course, you're going to be learning about traveling in America. In the first part, we're going to learn how to book a flight. Second, we're going to learn how to make a hotel reservation. And last, we're going to learn how to rent a car. I will use the website orbitz.com, which is just one of many websites that you can use to book travel. You can see that it allows you to book a flight. Flight meaning to fly, and that's what an airplane does. So if you only want to fly, you would click here. Flight only. If you would want to make a hotel reservation and only do that, you would click here. A reservation is what you make. It's like a promise agreement between you as the customer saying, on this date, I am going to stay here. And the hotel saying, we will save that room for you. You also use reservations at restaurants. You can reserve a table. You can reserve a seat on a flight. There's many cases where you can reserve something, make a reservation. So we use it commonly in booking a hotel. You make a hotel reservation. And here we have car only. That's saying I want to rent a car. Rent is to borrow. For so many days I will use it and then I will return it. Okay, so flight only, hotel only, car only. And then if you want to book together, you can get a discount. You can save money. So together, flight plus hotel. I want to do both of these, or flight and car, or hotel and car, or all three, flight plus hotel plus car.
Hello everyone, this is Jim and I will be traveling with you on this course. You will be learning about booking a flight, but can you also book an alligator? What's the difference? How do you know which one is right and which one is wrong? So as we travel through this course together, you will be learning things like this.